Breaking news. I like this pie. Lemon chess pie. Wonderful, wonderful. A lot of people like lemon chess pie. And guess what? That is our new national pie. Because I say so. And I think I just spit on my keyboard. I'm drilling at the mouth thinking of lemon chess pie. Okay, so you have got to try this pie. This is like the best pie in the world. I swear, it is the best pie in the world. You need to check the description below. There's a link there. And you go and you click that link and it takes you to the video on how to make that pie. That pie is one of the best pies I've ever had. I swear, it's one of the best pies I've ever had. Oh man, you take that can of Cool Whip in the can, you shake it up, you turn it over and you put it on that pie and you go and you put that white fluffy stuff on top. Then you get your little jar of cherries and you pull out a cherry and you stick it on top of it and you have a cherry on top. Cherry on top, yeah. You know what? Don't just get a slice of that pie. You need to make yourself a pie. Make yourself one of these pies. Follow her recipe. Watch her video while you cook the pie, right? You cook the pie while you watch the video. If you have to, watch it numerous times because that is the best pie. If you mess up the pie the first time, that's okay. That's still okay. You can still put that Cool Whip and cherry on top and eat it. But if you watch the video and you follow the instructions precisely, which she's very, very good at explaining how to make that pie, then you can make the best pie in the world too. Go there. Check out the link. The channel on YouTube is called In the Kitchen with Dallene, and it's spelled D-A-L-L-E-N-E. All right. When you go there, tell them the Donald likes that pie. Okay. You know what to do. Make comments. Go to that channel. Watch that video over and over again. Make that pie. Don't forget the Cool Whip and put the cherry on top. All right? Because everybody needs a cherry on top. All right. See ya.